Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Good Eye Design. Today is my video about how to set your bed like a pro or professionally. It's really easy and I really like this video because I want to do this video for a very long time and I think today is the day. So this is the comforter set I just opened and it's from the Costco and it's not sponsored, but I want to show you because the price was really good. It's $90 for the king size and it's 11 pieces. I really like this comforter set because it's contained two sheet sets. So one is a polka dot and one is the plain one, and both sheet set have two pillows and fitted sheet and the flat sheet, and one comforter and the comforter shams. They are both reversible. So I'm gonna show you how you can do it by yourself, and if you have two people it will be very easy. It will no time. I can do it alone, but I actually need help from my daughter, so she helped me, and that's how we did it actually fast because I don't want to do the long video. So this is my mattress, and I always put a bamboo sheet on it. It's a bamboo fiber, and then the fitted sheet from the comforter set, and then the flat sheet, put it reversible because when you turn it, it will be show the right side, and then the comforter. And you can do the two settings from the same set, and that's how it looks at the end. And I already have the body pillow and the shimmery sham, so it actually turns beautiful. So I'm gonna show you the reveal, the end result, and it looks beautiful. I'm really happy with the result. So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, share your comments with me, what you like in this video. I try to make it simple and faster. So really happy to see you here, and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I do the home style video, so if you like the channel, please subscribe.